Hello, I'm in a 2014 Kia Soul, and today I'm going to show you a jump start. So first you'll open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should see your battery located right here. So this side should be your positive terminal, which you can always double check on the battery. There's a little plus sign here. Same with the negative neutral side, there's a negative, and then your terminal. So first I'd make sure there's no corrosion built up, which you could clean off with like a brush or a good rag, and tighten all this up. Make sure these connections are tight, cleaned up. But if you do need the jump, you would just take your jumper cables or jump box and connect directly to the metal, the positive one leading to the positive, and then your negative neutral to the negative. And typically your positive is going to be red, so like the red side of your jumper cables onto this one. As much as you can hook onto the metal. And then same whether you're leading to another car or the jump box, make sure it's positive to positive and negative to negative, as you don't want to cross them, because even just a few seconds of that could cause some significant damage to your electronic system. It could blow fuses, mess up different things within the circuits and the computer board. So, but otherwise, in worst case scenario, if you need to replace this battery, it's pretty easily accessible. Just disconnect these things and then lift it out, stick your new battery in, and connect everything again. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.